Hello and welcome to another session in mathematics. Our topic today is logic. But before that, let us review the previous lesson. Welcome back. In this session, we'll be looking at logic, and the areas we'll cover include simple true and false statements, negative and contrapositives of simple statements, antecedents, consequence, and conditional statements. Okay, let us kick off. The word logic is a science of deductive reasoning and a process of analyzing a language. Okay, I said is what is a science of deductive, the word deductive reasoning, and a process of analyzing languages. It just explains the way a term or a statement is being made. It analyzes the way people reason and also the language of people. Okay, why a statement is any meaningful, unambiguous verbal or written assertion which could be true or false, but not both. Okay, I just want you to note at this point that when we talk about logical statement is either false or true. It can never be both. Okay, it's either false or true. Logical statements cannot be both. Okay, we have examples of logical statements, and one of them is Catherine is a boy. Catherine is a boy. Is it true? The name Catherine is a name for girls, right? So we say it is false. It is false, but yet a logical statement. Okay, for someone to look at a young man and call him Catherine, it means the person is not that too okay. But for you who is logical, you will reason in your mind and tell yourself that Catherine is a name of a girl. Is that correct? Now also we have a second one. Nigeria is the capital of Gambia. Is that correct? No, it's not. It's a false statement, but it is also what? A logical statement. It's a logical statement. Okay, we have number 3. 12 is an even number. 12 is an even number. This is true. Okay, and yet what? A logical statement. So a logical statement is a statement that is meaningful and unambiguous. Okay, but it must either be true or false, but can never be both. Okay, so let us take examples of non-logical statements, like the question, who are you? Who are you? It's actually a question, not a logical statement. Okay, who are you is not what? A logical statement. We have a statement like go to hell. Go to hell. Okay, now go to hell is not a logical statement. Okay, it's a word that comes out of bitterness or anger. When you annoy someone, he says go to hell. That's not a logical statement. Okay, then we have the third one, God bless you richly. God bless you richly. That's a prayer. That's a prayer, but not what? A logical statement. Okay, let us look at what we call true and false statements. True and false statements. A statement is either true or false, but cannot be both. I said this earlier. Otherwise, it may lead to contradiction. If you have that a sentence is true and at the same time false. If a statement is true and at the same time false, it means there is what? There is contradiction. Okay, so a statement can either be true or false, but cannot be both. Okay, now they said the truthfulness and falsity of a statement is called truth value. Mark this word, truth value. So when you hear about truth value truth value is the truthfulness and falsity of a statement. Okay, and then the symbol T and F represent the possible truth values of a statement. We have T and what and F. They both represent what the possible truth value of a statement. Okay, let us now look at simple and compound statements. Simple and compound statements. What is a simple statement? To mean a statement that has no what substatement. A simple statement is a statement that has what no substatement. That is to say, it cannot be separated into two. It cannot be separated into two. Okay, so when a statement cannot be separated into two, we say that that statement is what is a simple statement. Okay, now we have an example. Let's say a pentagon has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. That's a true what? A true sentence. But the truth remains that you cannot split this sentence or statement into two. It's a logical statement, but you cannot split it into two. Any statement that cannot be split into two is called what? A simple statement. A simple statement. Okay, then we have a compound statement. Compound or composite statement. A compound or composite statement is a statement that is made up of 2 or more simple what statements. It is made up of what? 2 or more simple statements. That is to say that the simple statements can be joined together. Okay, simple statements can be joined together, where we have 2 or more simple statements coming together to form one statement. Okay, now if 2 simple statements comes together to form a statement, that statement formed is what we call what? The compound what? Statement. Compound statement. And the simple statements are usually joined by the use of what we call what? Connectives. Connectives. We use connectives to join 2 or more simple statements together. So let us now look at the connectives. What are these connectives? What are these connectives? I have here that connectives are words which combine simple statements to form a compound statement. Okay, they are words. They are words which combine what? Simple statements to form a compound statement. Now, we have 5 of them. We have 5 of them. Number 1 is and it has the symbol this, and we call it what? Conjunction. Conjunction. Okay, that which holds 2 statements together. Okay, so we call it what? Conjunction. Okay, we have example like let's say the sentence, Agnes read her books and yet Agnes failed. Now this statement is a compound statement because we have Agnes read her book as one, and then Agnes failed. That's what? 2 statements coming together to form what? One statement, and it happened because of the conjunction, which is what? And then we have number 2, or, and this is the symbol. Okay, then we call it what? Disconjunction. Disconjunction. Then we have the third one, not, represented by the sign here, and we call it negation. Negation. We have number 4 to be implies, or if then that's conditional. That's conditional. Okay, this is conditional. We call it what? Conditional, and it has the symbol that looks like double arrow. Okay, now we have the last one, if and only if. If and only if, and the symbol is this, and we call it what? Biconditional. Biconditional. Okay. To refresh your memory on what we've done so far, I want you to take the questions on the screen. Welcome back. So far we've been able to cover logical statements, and we've defined logical statements. We've been able to take examples in logical statements and examples of non-logical statements. We've talked about true and false statements. We've talked about simple and compound statements, and we've talked about connectives. We'll stop here for today. So do well to use the lesson note on the platform for better information on the topic we've just discussed, and feel free to drop your comment or questions on the comment section. So till we meet in our next class, stay safe and bye.